Hi everybody, this is Sharia with Anchors Away Vacation, and I'm here to tell you the top 3 reasons why you should be using a travel agent. The number 1 reason is it doesn't cost as much as you think. So as a travel agent, I actually make commission off of the vendor companies that I am affiliated with as a travel agent, and so that doesn't cost you anything. And if I do have to plan extensive itineraries like road trips or maybe things that are not commissionable, there may be a small fee, but it's still not going to cost you what it would to do all the research and planning for yourself. Also, it's free to have a consultation with me so we can go over everything in your trip and you can make the right decision on whether or not you want to use a travel agent's services. The number 2 reason is that I can actually get you special pricing. So as a travel agent, I have access to a vast majority of affiliations and vendors that I can use to book your perfect vacation. And a lot of those are places that you as the client would not have access to, only travel agents do. And so we can get you special pricing, special perks, and things that you may not be able to get on your own. And so the number 3 reason is that you will need somebody to help you in the future with travel. After COVID-19, there are a lot more travel restrictions. And so every country has their own guidelines and their own restrictions, and it's my job to be able to help you be prepared for that and know what you need to have going into your vacation. So I am able to do the research and find out from all the countries what you will need to get into the country, and from going forward, there's going to be extra guidelines. Social distancing, masks will most likely be required on most vacations, and possibly COVID-19 testing or proof of the vaccine in the future. So I'm here to do all that work for you and to find out what you need so that you can travel safely and just enjoy your vacation. So those are the top 3 reasons why I think you should be using a travel agent. And if you feel like that you would like to use me, I would love to help you plan your next vacation. And you can click the link that's in the description to schedule an appointment with me, or to go to all my social media sites. I have more videos on my YouTube page, so please subscribe to that and like my group on Facebook. Thank you.